I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I am open the curtains. I am open the curtains. I am reciting the Holy Quran. I am reciting the Holy Quran. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am washing my face. I am preparing to pray. I am preparing to pray. I am drinking glass of water. I am drinking glass of water. I am mediating for 5 minutes. I am mediating for 5 minutes. I am preparing breakfast. I am preparing breakfast. I am planning my day. I am planning my day. I am eating healthy food. I am eating healthy food. I am setting goals for myself. I am exercising. I am exercising for 10 minutes. I am exercising for 10 minutes. I am reading something inspiring. I am reading something inspiring. I make a cup of coffee or tea. I make a cup of coffee or tea. I make a cup of coffee or tea. I make a grocery list. I make a grocery list. I take a short walk outside.